Hey there, in this quick video, I'm going to compare the React with the CSS and what are the differences. So I really found this comment is really good. So HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are like the letters of the alphabet, and React is like a paragraph. You will need to learn your letters first. So this is like really great what I found on Reddit, and I like that. So once those are solid, you can look for extra framework on the top, but pick the one that suits your project. So when we're gonna look here, and we see right here the purpose, the React is JavaScript library for building user interface. CSS is a style sheet language for describing presentation. Also, you have different syntax. You have the JavaScript and CSS here. Then also you have reactivity. You don't have any built-in with CSS, and React does it and has it. Then also performance efficient updates with virtual DOM, and here it's like for CSS efficient for pure styling, no direct impact on logic. The integration works with various styling solutions, and the CSS can be used with any HTML structure. And a learning curve for React is moderate, requires knowledge of JavaScript and JSX, and CSS easy, requires knowledge of CSS syntax. So for the examples here, so you have interactive UI single page applications. For the CSS is styling web pages and defining layouts. And that's pretty much it. So have a great day and goodbye.